All right, I got the FLARUZIY 24-inch pet crate. Look at this thing. All right, let's check it out, see what we got in here. I've already cut the plastic on it. Look at that. Here's my light rack. Okay, lots of stuff here. We got these corner and support pieces. Wow, they give you a screwdriver too. You got a screwdriver in there. Look at that. So we have the tray. Tray in case you have any messes. We have more support pieces. Alright, so I've got the instructions out here. I read the instructions so you don't have to. So I just placed all the parts in the tray here. They have this tray. There's a bunch of corner pieces, 12 corner pieces. These guys, I think they're supports for the cage. We'll get to them. A couple of Phillips head screws here with locking nuts. And there's 4 of these. They're going to go for this door latch. So when you put this thing on, I want to point out, make sure this is retracted all the way out. This slot is going to go to the outside. So we'll just put this through here. It goes through the big slot. Randy didn't put it on the right side the first time. So let's get this thing screwed in. Now you've got the holes kind of flush to the outside here. Put a couple, let's screw this thing in. So you're using the 4, obviously there's 6 screws that come with this, and you're using the set of 4 with the sharp end. It just kind of threads itself into the plastic. And once you get a couple of them in, you can even just set it down and do it this way. Alright, does it work? Let's find out. Locks in place, door slides open. Close it, lock it out, just to show you how it works on the other side. Slides back and forth. This piece comes out. That was easy. 4 screws. Now we're on to the next part. We're going to take these 2 sides right here. I want to point out that these bars right here, go to the inside. What we're going to do, snap this piece down, snap that piece down. We're going to do the same. Get the sides in place. Next thing we're going to do is put the front and the back on. One thing I want to point out here is that these bars go in on everything, so all the bars are always going in. Snap this into place, slide it into place, and then we will do this one, the back of the cage, with the bar facing in. That, kind of pull it in that way. Snap that down. Snap that down. Okay. Next move. Snap these reinforcement guys into place. You kind of got to get them on flat and then rotate them out once they're on there. And they lock into place. Alright, next move. Install the bottom net. This goes on top of here and lays on top of those bars we've been talking about. Okay. That's why I put all the bars on the inside. Alright, so next the tray is going to go underneath it here. There we go. Starting to look like a crate. Alright, we're getting to the home stretch. Something I want to point out here. There are 2 different types of clips on here. This one has a foot on the bottom, so you're obviously going to want to put these types on the bottom. And this type on the top without the little peg on it. And I'm also it's looking like they give us 2 extra of every piece. Next move. Let's do this. I'm going to smack this with this little wrench thing. Make it a little easier for me. Lock it into place. Alright. We have a crate. We almost have a fully assembled crate. What's next? Basically, put this lid on. Got 2 clips right here. They go into here. And this guy just snaps into place, so you can snap it into place. 2 screws and 2 nuts left. So we'll just go ahead and put that through this hole. Looking pretty self-explanatory here at this point. Line it up. Yep. Get it through there. Put the locking nut on here. Alright, there we go. We're done. Cage opens from the top. Snaps into place. Let's see. Just about here. That's kind of cool. It stays up there. Pretty strong frame on here. It was relatively easy to assemble with the instructions. And I just made a video for you here so you can assemble it using my video. The front door slides open, locks into place. If you take it out, it stays closed. That's a nice feature. This is a retractable. This opens up and stays up, so that's kind of cool. This locks into place. Locks, so you can lift it up this way if you wanted to. Maybe not the best idea. But all in all, easy to assemble with these clips. All I needed to assemble this was a Phillips head screwdriver. The small dog crate by FLARUZIY. There's dog model Rigatoni. I tricked him with a treat to get him to go in the cage. He is 14 pounds. He's about the size of a dachshund or an Italian greyhound. You can see he's able to get around there already. Got his little bed in there. I probably could have done a little better job. Anyway, you can see how he fits in there. Good boy, Rigatoni. Hold on, let's see. Good boy. Who's a good boy?